This video is about PixelLab editing, and you can use this method to create any kind of logo you can think of. The first thing you need to do is to delete the text on the screen. We don't need that. Now go to shapes, select circle shape, adjust it, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke size, so we can go with 30 or 31. Now align it to the center. Let's pin this down. Now go to shapes again, use rectangle, change the color to black, adjust it. Now you create another shape, rectangular shape this time around too. Balance it to the center. You align it as well to the center. Create another shape. This one will be in black. So now you can copy this one, copy it, place it here. Use your position to put it at the right spot. Good. Now that you have this together, click here, click this place, tick all the boxes, everything. Now click on this place. It will ask you, are you sure you want to merge? Click OK. Now that you've merged it, go to this place, select erase color, activate it. Can you see? So this is just how to create AD logo with PixelLab editing. Now you can't finish up like that. You can add texture and other things, but before you do that, add the floor. It will be in black. The floor will be in black so that it will match what you have on your screen. So create it a small size and make sure it is lying on one part of the logo. So now you create you merge it together. So after creating that little floor, you merge it together, click here, tick the boxes and confirm it. So you have it together now. Now let's add background from gallery. Let's use this square size. Now click on your logo and go back to your editing part. Select texture and bring it in from the gallery. We are using only this part. Now click on texture again, increase it until you have something good. So you can now add shadow to make it meaningful. Go to shadow, activate shadow, adjust. So here is it. You are good to go. As simple as that, in minutes. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel right now and share this video with other designers that need tutorials like this. Thank you.